everybody, here we are at the Mercifuls Makeup Car Show, the Long Beach Police Officers Association Park, and look at what we got here. That's right, Jack's in town, but he's here. We got the Mercifuls all lined up there. Got the Long Beach Fire Department is cooking up some pancakes here. They got their expert chefs. And they got the coffee, donuts, all that good stuff here too. Say hi, Bill. All right. Already got some raffle tickets going. Here's some of the prizes. We got some incredible trophies. Let's go take a look at those. Here are the trophies. This is the best of show. And when you win that, you also win $250 cash. We got the best truck trophy. Blacktop Pick. The best paint. Best under construction and club participation.